Dear students, how are you all? I hope you all are hale and hearty. I am also very fine. You know that the whole world is passing through a very complicated moment, and you know that due to coronavirus, the whole world is at a standstill. Uh, so, before taking the class, I want to introduce myself to you. This is Nikhil Chandra Poldar speaking in front of you, Shoshikar Girls High School, Kalkini, Madhurpur. Today, I am here to conduct a class, just a speaking class, and on the basis of the importance of learning English. And you know that the importance of learning English cannot be described in language, in words. And you know that English is an international language. So, to some students, this language are very difficult, or this language seems to be very difficult to some of my students. And I would like to say that you should not get fear, as it is an international language. So, I want to say you that if you try heart and soul, you can easily learn this language. At first, I would like to give or put emphasis on the importance of learning English and how we can learn English in the classroom, either in the classroom or outside of the school. At first, you have to grow awareness or awareness in you. You know that without growing awareness in you, it is very difficult for students to learn English, and it is really difficult for all the students to learn any subjects unless you grow awareness or attention in you. So this is the first and foremost steps of learning English. And secondly, I would like to put emphasis on the uses of vocabularies and also grammar. And you know that grammar is called the ornament of language, and that's why we have to learn grammar in total. And we have to, at the same time, we have to enrich our vocabulary if you want to learn English. And this is my request to all of my students. At first, you have to, you know that English, as English is an international language, so you have to understand its Bengali meaning. Unless you understand its Bengali meaning, it is very difficult to learn English, and that's why I would like to request you to understand its Bengali meaning. So, and then try to enrich your vocabulary, and you have to learn grammar. And in case of grammar, I want to say some important topics, that is which parts should you start initially. And I would like to request you to start at least minimum. There are some grammatical items, that is tense, voice, articles, parts of speech, sentence, connectors, and you have to know the uses of sentence and parts of speech, voices, articles, and etc. And at the same time, you have to increase your vocabulary. And if you do this successfully, I hope, and you will be able to learn English. And I want also say that you have to practice. You have to practice the speaking English with your classmates, either your classmates or to your teachers, with the teachers, and also, and you can discuss any topics, staying at anywhere with your friends. And that's why you need not get in a specific place just for learning English. You can learn English staying at any place and anywhere. And suppose you are walking on the road alone, you have to think deeply over English. What you are learning in the past, you have to recollect or call into mind, and whatever you are reading in the classroom or in your house, you have to practice it in your mind. You have to keep it in your mind always, and you have to you have to work with these things in your mind. Otherwise, I want to say you that you have to utilize your brain. You have to utilize your head, because one thinking has to be kept in your mind that I have to learn English. I have to be a good speaker. I have to be a native speaker. I can. You have to have an intention to speak like the English. I hope when you practice like this in the later life or in the later, probably you will be able to learn English, and with this you have to increase your vocabularies, grammars, and try to continuing your practicing with your classmates or with your teachers or with anyone. And I think this will help you a lot. And besides this, whenever you stay at home alone, you can stay just in front of any mirror, and you have to act in staying in front of mirror. Suppose you yourself is the person and another person is on the mirror, and just you can speak alone yourself, keeping yourself in front of a mirror. Just actually in this case there will be no person to laugh at you whenever you make mistakes, and you can get this benefit. But whenever you will speak in English, keeping or staying at outside or on the road, either in the road or any place, someone may see you and they may laugh at you. And I think you can escape these things if you stay at home or stay in front of mirror and start speaking with yourself. And this is one of the best way, I think, just practicing English. So I think if you do all these things, I think one day you will be a very good speaker, and I think you will be a very fluent man, and then it will be possible only just for you to achieve fluency. So keep practicing and learn English, and this is my hope. I hope you can do better in your future life, and hoping this, I would like to terminate or conclude my advice or lecture. Thank you very much. That's all.